A very good morning and a warm welcome to this new academic session 2021-22. Learning is a treasure which follows a learner throughout his life. Now, learning has taken a new dimension due to this pandemic. What are the resources of knowledge the teacher and the taught should cherish every moment of the exchange of the understandings? In the words of Nelson Mandela, I would like to remind you that education is the powerful weapon that can change the entire world. Keep in mind that there is no elevator to success. We have to take the stairs. After the completion of one cycle of pandemic struck 2020-21, we are here to step into the second cycle of the academic session 2021-22. This session will be a new chance for us to rebuild what we want. Someone said that it is never too late to start moving upward. And this academic session 2021-22 is a new beginning, and definitely things will change. Our teachers are the most unsung heroes. They don't just teach but prepare for the road and put you into the water to swim. So, aiming it high, move ahead. Wish you all the best and have a wonderful and successful year too. Before we begin our new session, let us seek God's blessings upon us. God, our loving Father, you are the source and wisdom and power. You are the light and life. You are the Alpha and Omega. As we begin this new academic session 2021-22, I thank you for protecting and keeping us safe and sound and bestowing on us the abundance of blessings during the last session 2020-21. God, I entrust all the staff, each and every student and their parents and the entire transition family into your hand, into your care. Continue to be with us. Refresh our soul and renew our spirit. Allow us to experience your presence in the many blessings you put before us. Open our eyes to the new challenges and exciting opportunities that this new school year brings. Open our hearts and minds to see your goodness and to aware of the distinction between right and wrong. And give us a generous spirit to be more enthusiastic with our studies and courage to accept new opportunities. Help us to be attentive to our teachers and inspire us to do our best this year. Guide the beginning of our work, direct our progress, and bring it into the successful completion. We make this prayer to you. Now, we will take the readings from different holy books.
A reading from the Holy Bible, Matthew chapter 13 verses 1 to 9. That same day, Jesus left the house and went to the lakeside, where he sat down to teach. The crowd that gathered round him was so large that he got up into the boat and sat in it, while the crowd stood on the shore. He used parables to tell them many things. Once there was a man who went out to sow corn. As he scattered the seeds in the field, some fell along the path, and the birds came and ate it up. Some of it fell on rocky ground where there was little soil. The seeds soon sprouted because the soil wasn't deep. But when the sun came up, it burnt the young plants, and because the roots had grown deep enough, the plants soon dried up. Some of the seeds fell among thorn bushes, which grew up and choked the plants. But some seed fell on good soil and the plants produced corn. Some produced 100 grains, others 60, and others 30. And Jesus concluded, "Listen then, if you have ears."
औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन अर्रहमानिर रहीम मालिकि यौमिद्दीन इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन इहदिनस सिरातल मुस्तकीम सिरातल लज़ीना अनअमता अलैहिम गैरिल मग़दूबि अलैहिम वलद्दालिन आमीन। तर्जुमा: तमाम तारीफ़ अल्लाह के लिए जो तमाम कायनात का रब है, रहमान और रहीम है, रोज़े जज़ा का मालिक है। हम तेरी इबादत करते हैं और तुझसे ही मदद मांगते हैं। हमें सीधा रास्ता दिखा, उन लोगों का रास्ता जिन पर तूने इनाम फरमाया है, जो मातूब नहीं हुए, जो भटके हुए नहीं हैं। आमीन।
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। गीता की 2 अध्याय में आपके सामने बोल रहा हूँ। एक अध्याय 8वें का 5वां श्लोक है। अंतकाले च मामेव स्मरण मुक्त्वा कलेवरम या प्रयाति समद्भावम याति नास्त्रेत्र संशय। इसमें श्री कृष्ण भगवान अर्जुन को संबोधित करते हुए कहते हैं कि हे अर्जुन, अंतकाल में भी जो मनुष्य मेरा स्मरण करता हुआ शरीर का त्याग करता है, वो निश्चित ही मुझे प्राप्त होता है, इसमें कुछ भी संदेह नहीं है। एक है 18वें अध्याय का श्लोक 66वां। उसमें भगवान कहते हैं, सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य मामेकम शरणं व्रज अहम त्वा सर्व पापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। अर्थात हे अर्जुन, तू सभी कर्मों को मुझ में त्याग कर, जितने भी कर्म है उसका त्याग कर दे, मेरे पारायण कर दे, मेरे अर्पित कर दे। मैं तेरे सभी पापों से तुझे मुक्त कर दूंगा और तू शोक ना कर। यही गीता में संदेश देती है।
सतनाम श्री वाहे गुरु। एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभंग गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच।
अर्थात ईश्वर एक है, उसी का नाम सत्य है, सब कुछ करने वाला वही है। वह किसी से डरता नहीं, किसी से वैर नहीं करता। वह काल से परे है, समय से परे है और जुनियों में नहीं आता। गुरु की कृपा द्वारा ईश्वर को प्राप्त किया जा सकता है। प्रारंभ में भी वही सच था, जुगों जुगांतरों से ही वही सच है, आज भी वही सच है और आगे भी वही सच रहेगा।